Hello guys, Leon LaGray here. I am back again. Now, this time I am going to be doing a review on the Logitech G430, and which is boxed right here, and I got it right from UPS not too long ago. Uh, and so yeah, I'm going to open this and show you guys the unboxing of this Logitech. And so yeah, so looking at it right here too, this is my old headset that I've had for close to 4 years, and this is ready to go because this headset piece, if you look at it here, see how this is wiggling? It looks like it's about to come off, so very much glad I got this replaced. So let's get to it and let's get the unboxing going. Alright guys, now let's get into the boxing and see what see how it looks like, how the new headset looks like. I am so excited to open this. Alright, let me go ahead and place this tripod right. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I should have gotten this myself prepared, but it's like whatever. But anyways, here. Alright. Okay. So we've got... Okay, I got the tripod set up right here. Now, first... So the next thing we want to do is go ahead and open this. And cut up the tape. Oh yeah, just be careful not to cut myself. Alright. Alright. Oh, so happy to receive it. So let's get this going, shall we? So ooh, oh my gosh, they have this package safely. Oh my gosh, I don't have... Okay, there we go. Let me get some light. Some light over here. Open the flaps. Okay, guys. So this is the headset here, the G430. Yep, that's that I just got in the mail. Don't know if you guys can see it. I know it's the focus is pretty bad on the camera, so you just gotta forgive me on that. But anyways, let's go ahead and get right to it. Oh my gosh. Okay, this looks much clearer now. Let me just go ahead and oh yes, look at this. Beautiful. Alright. Alright. Enough wasting time over here. Okay, so as you can see, the description how the headset looks like here. So so this headset, it's a gaming headset. It's a surround sound gaming headset here, and pretty much its purpose is for video gaming. If you're just want to hear full video, like full video, or just want to surround yourself playing video games, this is the perfect headset right here. I've actually received my first G430 back of December of 2014. I've actually received it with one of my benefits. That was actually from work, and it was really nice time I've had it too. And I'm actually glad my 3-year warranty didn't end. Otherwise, I'd actually be screwed, and I have to pay more for a brand new headset. So let's go ahead and open this, shall we? All right. Okay, let me adjust the camera right here. Okay, so let's see. I know there's a way to open this. Oh, yep, there's a tape sealed. Yeah, there's actually a couple. What am I seeing here? So 2 tape sealed right here. Yeah, let's go ahead and start opening a seal from here using the scissors. Oh, wonderful. Okay, easy to cut, not too bad. Let's open the other one from here too. Oh, okay. That's sealed. And so from here, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Come on, come on. Okay, and let's open this up slowly. Okay. Wonderful. Okay, that process didn't take too long. And there it is. My brand new headset from Logitech. Now, as I can tell you, I will tell you this, that it will work just perfectly. Now, okay, so just to give you a little bit of commentary about the headset here is, well, as far as I can tell you, my last headset, it sounded great, and it still sounds great too. And what, for me, this is a very good headset. I haven't had any faults with the headset. The only thing I've had, which is the plastic, which is the hinges of the plastic that cracked. So to me, that's something I couldn't do much about it. And ooh, let's be careful. Well, actually, let me give you my commentary after I open this up slowly. Okay. Oh, that's right. So we want to actually open the twist ties here. There we go. Twist ties are out. Any more seals? Oh, yeah, there's another twist tie. Oh, yeah, right down the bottom. I don't want to break this. Just got it. Don't want to break another headset. Because actually, I'm ready to stream right after this review, if I could get around to it too. All right. Whew, there we go. Alright, let's open this up slowly. Okay. That's done. Oh, shoot. Alright. Okay, plastic is out. Alright, Basuda, right here. Now, okay, so what we got here. So, along with that comes with the adapter. Let me show you the adapter here. Actually, take off the plastic here. Don't need it. Alright, voila. So what we have here. Oh, there. Yes, this is the Logitech adapter. You pretty much go ahead and connect. Okay, you pretty much connect the mic and the headset pieces right into the adapter to any computer. This comes out useful. So you'll end up you're gonna need to use an adapter if you decide you want to just connect to a headset instead. It just makes it much easier than going to the Realtek settings onto your computer. But yeah, this is pretty useful. And from here, it comes with a setup guide instructions, just to show you how to connect to it. But which I'm sure everyone knows how to do that. So, and but which I will mention on this too is that it does come with the gaming software. It shows you how to connect it too, which actually it tells you right in the instructions as well. Almost forgot to mention about it too. Well, it does come to you as somewhat useful, but yeah. Anyways, so this is the brand new headset got from UPS not too long. Oh, I am ready to give this a try from here. So, yeah. So this is a pretty short unboxing. Doesn't take too long. So let's go ahead and give this a shot and tell you how does the headset feel. Alright, so as you can see, I am using my headset right here, and this is oh, really comfortable, really comfortable. Oh gosh, I love I love this. I mean, it just feels when you wear it for the first time, it feels so comfortable, feels so snugged in right over your ears. It's amazing. So I am gonna go and try um a couple of music. Um, like let's go ahead and play some music and let's listen to a couple of music here. Even though my video is gonna get flagged for copyright, I don't give a crap. But let's go ahead and give this a try. See if this works. Uh, I might have to refresh my web browser, but let's. Yeah, I have to. Yep, refresh the web player. Okay, let's try this again. Mm. Ooh. Mm. Sounds amazing. I like this. So after after the testing, what do I think about the headset? Well, it's a fantastic headset. I'm not complaining right here one bit. Honestly, like I wish there was more companies that offer 3-year warranties, and this is perfect for everyday uses for streaming, for editing videos that I use, and for leisurely. So pretty much my three things I could think of what I'm going to be using this headset for. It is fantastic. I've nothing for me that I'd say that there's no faults to it. But overall, my that's this it's my recommendation. So if you want to start with a nice cheap headset from a gaming headset, after all, you can actually go online and get it for less